You can now embed validations in the EFT file format that apply to the EFT bank record. So in this example, the USA PNC IPS CHK format, the check format for the PNC bank, needs at least a 6-character transit or routing number, at least an 8-character account number, a company ID, and the application format, which needs to be provided by the bank, and the return address code. And new in this product update, we can now specify the bank name as well, instead of using the bank name from the current account, which was entered on the Sage Intacct current account record. And once you enter the minimum length for each of the fields that have a length restriction, then the message will go away, as it has done for the transit number and now for the account number. For the USA PNC IPS CHK format, the bank branch number must be 6 to 12 digits, and the bank branch number is called transit or routing number. The account size is 8 to 34 digits, and the account number field is called account number on the bank, vendor, customer, and employee screens. And then all the prefixes of bank extra 1 through to bank extra 10 are extra fields on the bank record, which can be configured accordingly. So bank extra 1 is called company ID, and the size is 1 to 15 characters. Bank extra 2 is called application format. The tooltip is the check remittance style, which needs to be provided by PNC, and the field length is 3. And for the bank extra 3, the field is called return address code, 2 characters long. The size is exactly 2, but in this case a drop-down list is provided. So the value UM indicates the US mail, ON is overnight, BM is bulk mail, CN Canadian, IT international. So instead of having to type in those characters, you can just select from the drop-down. And the validation length is 2 characters long. And these field length and type validations are given both at the time of data entry on the EFT bank record and at the time of generating an EFT file with this bank and format, and at the time of downloading an EFT file with this bank and format. For example, if my EFT bank record did not have sufficient digits for the routing number or account number, when using this EFT bank record for an AP payment, the EFT file would not be created. We're getting an error message that the BSB or branch number must be at least 6 characters. And the account number must be at least 8 characters. Or when downloading an EFT file where the data does not match the EFT file format validations, you will get an error message at this stage too. So in this case, the bank's branch number needs to be 12 characters long, as well as the vendor 20017 branch number needs to be 12 characters. If there are some validations in the format which do not match the data that you have, you can contact Orchid to assist in changing the EFT file format. Alternatively, you can change it yourself as well. So in this case, the branch size is 12 digits long, but we know it's 6 to 12 digits long, so we could change it, save the EFT file format, and now that EFT file should be downloaded.